as the feline population's collective consciousness or zeitgeist dictates that cats be granted a diverse array of scratching surfaces to satisfy their unique inclinations, it has become evident that individual preferences for scratching angles and textures range from horizontal surfaces that allow for leisurely stretches to vertical ones that provide an intense workout for those retractable claws, necessitating the provision of multiple options to accommodate the distinct personalities and scratchtastic proclivities of each whiskered friend.